What was the water like?
It's getting colder now that it's getting on up in the air, but still very enjoyable.
Jean, tell me how this all started.
Well, we used to come down every day in the summer, and we liked it so much. And somebody suggested, wouldn't it be nice if we could swim all through the year? Well, one Sunday then, Christine and Vivian said, let's go for a swim this Sunday down Langland. And I said that Elizabeth would be able to come as well. So that Sunday we came down and enjoyed it so much that we thought, let's try it all through the year. So far, so good. We've managed it every Sunday so far. And we want to go in Christmas Eve as well. So keep going as long as we can.
So it really all started as a dare?
Yes, really.
What sort of satisfaction do you get from swimming in this bitterly cold weather?
Well, we think we're hardy. It's very nice.
Now, how about your friends? What do they say about it?
Oh, they think we're mad, of course.
It was bitterly cold.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, lovely.
Even though it was icy cold?
Yes.
Do your parents approve of what you're doing?
They didn't mind at first, but now they think it's going a bit too far as it's getting colder. They don't raise any objection, though.
Well, girls, thank you very much indeed, and I hope you won't catch cold.
Thank you.
There seems to be two alternatives open for me. One, to admit the superiority of the fair sex, or two, follow their example.
Oh.